Are you looking for that one amazing DIY scrub to get a brighter, more radiant complexion in 2026? We've all seen the videos and read the blogs that promise miracles from simple stuff in our kitchens. But what if I told you that one of the most popular DIY skincare hacks out there isn't just a waste of time, but could actually be hurting your skin? I've gone down the rabbit hole, sorting through all the skin brightening trends, talking to the pros, and separating the facts from the fiction. And I've developed a go-to recipe that's effective and, most importantly, safe for your precious skin. This scrub is designed to give you a brighter, healthier glow from head to toe. In this video, I'm not just sharing that recipe, I'm also exposing the myths that might be wrecking your skin barrier, so you can get that glow the right way. Alright, let's just get this out of the way and talk about the elephant in the room. For years, we've been told to put lemon juice on our skin to fade dark spots and get a whitening effect. It's in a million articles and videos, passed down like some secret family remedy. The logic seems to make sense. Lemons have vitamin C, and vitamin C brightens skin. But this is a dangerous oversimplification that the skincare world is, thankfully, finally moving past. Here's the hard truth. You should never put raw lemon juice on your face. Lemon juice is incredibly acidic, with a pH between 2 and 3. Your skin's natural pH, on the other hand, is much happier around 4.5 to 5.5. When you put something as acidic as lemon juice on your skin, you're basically disrupting and damaging its protective barrier. Think of it like washing your face with vinegar. It's going to lead to irritation, redness, and dryness. But wait, it actually gets worse. Lemon juice contains compounds called furanocoumarins. When these compounds on your skin get exposed to sunlight, they can cause a severe reaction called phytophotodermatitis. This isn't just a bad sunburn. We're talking about painful chemical burns, blistering, and dark patches of hyperpigmentation that can last for months. The exact thing you were trying to fix. Dermatologists frequently warn against using lemon on the skin, as it can cause these preventable and painful injuries. So while the promise of a quick natural fix is tempting, the risk of doing some serious damage is way too high. The takeaway for 2026 is crystal clear. Leave the lemons for your water, not for your face. Now that we've busted the biggest myth in DIY skincare, you're probably asking, so what should I be using? Don't worry, I've got you. After looking into ingredients that are both gentle and genuinely beneficial, I've landed on a fantastic 4-ingredient recipe for a healthy, radiant glow. It exfoliates, moisturizes, and provides antioxidant benefits without messing with your skin's health. Here are the hero ingredients for our 2026 brightening scrub. First, our base and primary exfoliant, brown sugar. Second, our nourishing moisturizer, a high-quality carrier oil, like organic, cold-pressed jojoba oil or coconut oil. Third, our multi-benefit superstar, raw organic honey. And fourth, our secret weapon for safe brightening, organic orange peel powder. This combination is a true powerhouse. You get gentle physical exfoliation from the brown sugar, deep hydration from the oil, antibacterial and soothing properties from the honey, and a safe, stable source of vitamin C from the orange peel powder. This recipe gives you the brightening effects people think they'll get from lemon juice, but without any of the dangerous side effects. Understanding why these ingredients work is how you become your own skincare expert. So, let's break down the science behind each part of this awesome scrub. First up, brown sugar. We're choosing brown sugar over white sugar or salt for a couple of key reasons. Brown sugar crystals are generally smaller and softer than granulated sugar or salt, making them a gentler choice for physical exfoliation. While you can cause micro tears with any physical exfoliant if you're too aggressive, brown sugar's texture minimizes this risk, especially when it's mixed with a lubricating oil. Beyond its texture, brown sugar is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin, helping to hydrate as it exfoliates. It's also a natural source of glycolic acid, an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that helps dissolve dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, revealing the fresh, bright skin underneath. Next, our carrier oil. I recommend jojoba oil or coconut oil. Your choice really depends on your skin type. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it amazing for dry skin on the body. However, it can be comedogenic, meaning it might clog pores if you're acne-prone, especially on your face. This is where jojoba oil comes in. The chemical structure of jojoba oil, which is technically a wax ester, closely resembles our skin's own natural sebum. This allows it to moisturize and soften the skin without clogging pores, making it a perfect choice for oily, combination, and acne-prone skin types. Both oils create a barrier that locks in moisture and helps the sugar glide smoothly, preventing irritation. Our third ingredient is raw honey. This isn't just for your tea, it's a skincare powerhouse. Like brown sugar, honey is a natural humectant, giving you an extra layer of hydration that leaves skin feeling soft and plump. More importantly, raw honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it incredibly good at calming irritated skin and helping to prevent breakouts that can sometimes happen after you exfoliate. The enzymes in raw honey also offer gentle clarifying benefits, helping you get a clearer, more even-toned complexion. Finally, our safe brightening booster orange peel powder. This is our brilliant answer to the lemon juice problem. Unlike fresh juice, dried and powdered orange peel offers a much more stable and gentle way to get the benefits of citrus. It's rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight the free radical damage that leads to dullness and premature aging. It also works to gently reduce the look of dark spots over time by promoting a more even skin tone. With the powder, you get the antioxidant power without the dangerously low pH and photosensitizing compounds that make raw juice so risky. If you're learning something new and are officially ready to ditch dangerous DIYs for good, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells the algorithm you're finding this useful and helps other people find this safe skincare advice. Now for the fun part. Let's actually make it. This is so simple and takes less than 5 minutes. Here's what you'll need for one generous batch, perfect for your face and body. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of your chosen carrier oil, like jojoba or melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey, and 1 teaspoon of organic orange peel powder. Step 1. Combine your dry ingredients. In a small clean bowl, add your 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder. Give them a quick stir to mix the powder all through the sugar. This makes sure you get that brightening boost in every pinch. Step 2. Add your wet ingredients. Now, drizzle in your 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. You'll notice the honey is thick. That's a good sign. It means it's pure. Step 3. Mix it all together. Using a spoon or a small spatula, stir everything until it's totally combined. You're going for a thick, jam-like consistency. It shouldn't be too runny or too dry. If it feels a little stiff, just add another half teaspoon of oil until it's spreadable, but not drippy. The final scrub should have this beautiful, rich color and smell amazing, naturally sweet and citrusy. And that's it! Your brightening scrub is ready to go. Knowing how to use your scrub correctly is just as important as the recipe itself. Application. The best place to use this is in the shower on clean, damp skin. The steam helps soften your skin and open your pores, making the exfoliation even more effective. Take a small scoop and apply it using gentle, circular motions. For your body, you can be a little firmer, focusing on rough spots like elbows, knees, and heels. For your face, be extremely gentle. Let the ingredients do the heavy lifting. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure, as facial skin is much more delicate. Scrub for about 30 to 60 seconds, then rinse everything off with warm water. You'll immediately feel how incredibly soft and smooth your skin is. After patting your skin dry, it is absolutely essential to follow up with a moisturizer to lock in all that goodness and protect your freshly exfoliated skin. Frequency. Please, do not over-exfoliate. For most skin types, starting with this scrub once a week is perfect. Using it too often can lead to irritation and damage your skin barrier, the exact opposite of what we want. Customization for your skin. This is where you can really make the scrub your own. For very dry or mature skin, stick with coconut oil or even try avocado oil for extra nourishment. You could also increase the honey just a little for its moisture-drawing properties. For oily or acne-prone skin, jojoba oil is your best friend. You might also add an extra half teaspoon of honey for its antibacterial benefits. For sensitive skin, absolutely do a patch test on your inner arm before putting this on your face. The first time you make it, maybe use only half a teaspoon of orange peel powder, just to see how your skin feels. Always use the lightest pressure when you apply it. So there you have it. A fantastic DIY brightening scrub for 2026, built on science and safety. We've busted the dangerous lemon juice myth and replaced it with a recipe that effectively exfoliates, hydrates, and helps you achieve a brighter, more radiant complexion over time, without the risk of burns or irritation. Remember, great skincare isn't about harsh, quick fixes. It's about consistently using gentle, beneficial ingredients that support your skin's health. And this scrub does exactly that. Store your scrub in an airtight container at room temperature. It should last for a couple of weeks, but honestly, with how good it feels, I doubt it'll be around that long. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful and you're excited to try this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more honest myth-busting skincare. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Are you going to try this recipe? Or have you ever fallen for the lemon juice myth? Let's chat about it. Until next time, stay glowing.